In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search the entire US on Facebook Marketplace. Searching for items across the whole country can expand your options, uncovering deals that you might not find locally. Whether you're looking for rare collectibles or equipment that's hard to come by, learning this search method can be tremendously beneficial. First, let's start by navigating to Facebook, the starting point of our journey today. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook's official website. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. This is important because Facebook Marketplace is only accessible to logged in users. Next, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Scroll down a bit and click on the See More option. This step expands the menu and reveals additional Facebook features that you might not have noticed before. Among these features is the Marketplace. Now that the Marketplace is visible, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to Facebook's Marketplace page where you can see listings from your local area. But today, we're aiming beyond our local surroundings, so let's keep moving forward. Over in the top left corner of the Marketplace, you should see an option labeled Location. Click on this, as this step is crucial. It will allow us to expand our search beyond our immediate vicinity. After clicking on Location, you'll notice a field where you can type in a new location. For our purpose today, you can type in any major city in the United States. Let's go with New York City as an example, but feel free to choose whichever city you prefer. When you've typed in your desired city, move on to the next part, which is clicking on the city option. This action confirms your selected city as the central point for your search radius. It's quite straightforward, but making sure this step is done correctly is essential for the expanded search. Once the city is selected, you'll see options for adjusting the radius of your search. Adjust the radius to 500 miles, which is typically the maximum limit. By doing this, your search will encompass a broad area, capturing listings throughout multiple states. Finally, go ahead and click Apply. This might seem like a small action, but it's the one that finalizes your settings. Your search area should now be set to include the entire United States, effectively broadening the scope of your Facebook Marketplace exploration. With this method, you can now browse items across a vast range, increasing your chances of finding exactly what you're searching for. Enjoy the process and happy hunting on Facebook Marketplace.